Radar, which stands for Radio Detection and Ranging, is a technology used for detecting and tracking objects by emitting radio waves and measuring the time it takes for the waves to bounce off the object and return. Radar begins with a radar transmitter, which emits short bursts of radio waves, typically in the microwave frequency range. These waves travel through the air at the speed of light. The emitted radio waves travel outward in all directions until they encounter an object in their path. When the waves encounter an object, they are partially reflected back toward the radar. The radar system has a receiver that listens for the reflected radio waves, also known as echoes. The time it takes for the radio waves to travel to the object and back to the radar is measured in microseconds. By knowing the speed of light and the time it took for the radio waves to return, the radar system can calculate the distance to the object. The formula for distance, d, is distance equals speed of light x time, /2. Since the radio waves make a round trip, we divide the result by 2. By rotating the radar antenna or using multiple radar installations, the system can determine not only the distance to the object but also its direction or bearing. This allows radar to create a map of objects in the surrounding area. Radar systems can also provide information about the object's relative speed, whether it's moving toward or away from the radar, and size, based on the characteristics of the reflected signals. The data collected by the radar is typically displayed on a screen, which can be in the form of a radar scope or a computer screen. Operators interpret the radar display to identify and track objects like aircraft, ships, weather patterns, or other targets.